Learning tables is a task in every student's life. So today we will learn few tricks which will help you to learn and write tables easily. So let's begin with it. Writing the table of 9 is very easy. For this, you just need to write the counting from 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we will write counting starting from the bottom. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this becomes your table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and so on. Table of 12 seems difficult, but it is not so. For this, you just have to write the table of 1 and table of 2. See, we all know the table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? And the table of 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 2 tens are 20. Now what you have to do is to add these digits. Right? यहाँ हमारे पास 0 है. If you want, you can write 0 and add them up. If you don't want, there is no need of writing. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, 10 and 12. And then we will write the digits at one place in the table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And there goes the table of 12 for you. In the same way, you can write the table of 13. First, you will write the table of 1. 9 and 10. Now you have to write the table of 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 21, 3 eights are 24, 27 and 30. And we will add just like we did in the table of 2. आप ये सब you have to add them and 3 का टेबल जो वंस प्लेस पे होगा वो हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट लेट अस ऐड 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 9, 10, 11, 13. सो ये हमारा ऐड करके आ गया इन सभी को. ना ये वाली लाइन ये आप एज इट इज उतार दीजिए. 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7 and 0. So this is the table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 2s are 36, 39, 52, 65, 78 and so on. There is one more way for writing the table of 13. Just see. First, we make this kind of a thing and we simply have to write counting. 1, 2, 3, leave 4, 5, 6, 7, leave 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 को छोड़ के we have 13 here. Again we will write the counting starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 का 0 हम यहाँ रखेंगे. This is the table of 13. See, if I write it here, okay, I'll write here 13, this one, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 117 and 13 tens are 130. Same way you can write the table of 14, 15, 16, 17 जिसमें पहले आपको 1 का टेबल लिखना है और उसके बाद is concerned number का, and then you just have to add it up. There is one more way of writing the table of 17 like we did for 13. Here you have to write counting again, but first we will write the odd numbers, right? Starting from 1, 3, 5. 5 के बाद you have to start with the even number. 5, 6, 8, 10. Again odd. 10 के बाद we get 11, 13, 15 and then 17. अब आपको simple counting लिखनी है. Starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 वाला 0 आप यहाँ लगा दीजिए. So that is the table of 17. 17 ones are 17, 2s are 34, 3s are 51, 68, 85 and there you go with the table of 17. Writing the table of 19 is also the same. First you have to write the table of 1 and then 9 और दोनों को आप ऐड कर दीजिए. ये numbers and this जो tens place पे है. You have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 10 plus 9 is 19. And then ये number as it is आपको लिखना है. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And there you go with the table of 19. One more way of writing the table of 19 is, I would say, rather easier one, is first you have to write odd numbers. Odd numbers. See, starting with 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And फिर simple counting starting with 0. यहाँ bottom से 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the table of 19. See, you can see it. It is same. Students, आप इस मेथड से किसी भी कितने भी बड़े नंबर का टेबल लिख सकते हो. जैसे 31 है तो आप पहले 3 का टेबल लिखेंगे और फिर 1 का टेबल लिखेंगे और दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. Let's see. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. And 1 का तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. अब आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनको ऐड करना है. See, 31, 62, 93, 124, 155, 186, 217, 248, 279, 30 plus 1 is 31 and 0. So there goes the table of 310. So students, I hope अब आपके पास कितना भी बड़ा नंबर आ जाए 2 डिजिट का तो आप वो टेबल इजीली लिख पाएंगे. तो अब आपको टेबल से डरना नहीं है. Thank you so much for watching the video.